Welcome back to Cryoto's Maintenance Management, where we explore the latest trends in industrial maintenance and how they're shaping the future of operations. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we have a truly exciting topic lined up for you. 2025 maintenance trends. Why AI is the key to operational success. Joining us today is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Alex has years of experience in the field, and he's here to share his insights on how artificial intelligence is changing the landscape of industrial maintenance. Alex, welcome. It's great to have you on the show today.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's great to be here. I'm really excited about this topic. AI in maintenance is truly a game changer, and I think 2025 is going to be a turning point for many industries.
Absolutely. So let's dive right in. We know AI is making waves across many industries, but when it comes to maintenance, why do you think AI is such a key player for operational success?
Great question. AI is becoming critical in maintenance because it helps us shift from a reactive to a proactive maintenance model. In the past, we often waited for equipment to break down before we took action, which is costly and inefficient. With AI, we can leverage predictive analytics to anticipate failures before they happen. By using AI to analyze data from sensors, IoT devices, and historical maintenance records, AI can predict when a part is likely to fail, enabling us to perform maintenance only when needed, reducing downtime and repair costs.
So it sounds like AI is making maintenance smarter, almost like having a crystal ball for predicting issues. What does that actually look like in practice for a maintenance team on the ground?
Exactly. It's like having a crystal ball but backed by data. On the ground, this looks like automated monitoring systems that are continuously gathering data from machinery, sensors, and devices. AI analyzes this data in real time, flagging potential issues before they become major problems. For example, in a manufacturing plant, AI might predict that a conveyor belt is showing signs of wear based on temperature or vibration data. Instead of waiting for it to break down, maintenance crews are notified to inspect or replace it, preventing unplanned downtime. This level of predictive insight can drastically improve operational efficiency and safety.
That's fascinating. And I'm assuming AI is also driving a lot of improvements when it comes to IoT, right? I mean, the two seem to go hand in hand, don't they?
Absolutely. IoT devices are essentially the eyes and ears of AI in a manufacturing environment. They collect real-time data from machines, processes, and the environment. AI then takes that data, analyzes it, and makes decisions. For example, AI can assess sensor data to determine if a pump is underperforming and if it's likely to cause a system failure. AI can even recommend specific actions based on the data, such as adjusting operational settings or scheduling maintenance. It's all about enabling smarter decisions based on real-time data, reducing human error, and improving efficiency.
That sounds like it's really streamlining operations. Now, for the listeners out there who might be thinking about integrating AI into their maintenance systems, what would be your top recommendation for getting started?
Great question. My first recommendation would be to start small, but think big. Begin by integrating AI into a few critical assets or processes that have a history of unplanned downtime or failures. This gives you quick wins and data to fine-tune your system. Once you see the results, you can expand AI usage across more assets or systems. Also, make sure you're collecting quality data. The more accurate the data, the better the predictions. Lastly, don't forget about training your team. They need to understand not only how to use these AI tools, but also how to trust and act on the insights AI provides.
Great insights, Alex. So if I were to summarize what we've talked about today, AI is transforming maintenance by shifting us from reactive to proactive approaches, leveraging IoT for smarter decision-making, and offering maintenance teams the power to predict and prevent failures. This definitely sounds like a huge opportunity for businesses to improve efficiency and reduce costs. I'm sure many listeners are excited to explore this further in their own operations.
Exactly, Bruce. And if we're looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, I think we're just scratching the surface. AI, IoT, and predictive maintenance are going to be fundamental to achieving operational excellence in the industrial sector.
Couldn't agree more. Alex, thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today. I'm sure our audience has learned a lot from this conversation. And to all our listeners, stay tuned for more expert insights on cryotest maintenance management. Until next time, keep innovating and optimizing.